Hello everybody, it's Dan from DIY Gardening, and in today's video I'm going to be listing my favourite plants for early season colour. So that's plants, shrubs, ornamental plants, etc. that will put on a nice display very late in the winter or early in the spring. I will start with shrubs as they require the least amount of care and attention. Witch hazel is a deciduous shrub known for its unique, fragrant, spider-like flowers in vibrant yellows, reds and oranges. It blooms in late winter, often when snow is still on the ground, and its flowers appear on bare branches, creating a striking contrast against the winter landscape. Winter jasmine is a versatile and hardy shrub, also known for its bright yellow flowers that bloom in late winter. It can be used as a climbing plant on trellises or allowed to spread as ground cover. Its arching branches and cheerful blooms provide a splash of colour when most other plants are dormant. Forsythia is a fast-growing deciduous shrub famous for its dramatic yellow flowers that appear in early spring, often well before the leaves form. These shrubs can grow quite large and are often used in hedges or as a focal point in the garden. Their flowers are short-lived but intensely colourful, signalling the arrival of spring. Camellias are evergreen shrubs prized for their large, beautiful flowers, which come in shades of pink, red and white. Blooming late winter or early spring, they prefer a sheltered position and slightly acidic soil. Camellias are known for their glossy dark green leaves, which provide year-round interest. Mohonia is an evergreen shrub that features bright yellow fragrant flowers that appear in late winter or early spring. Mohonia is often used for its architectural foliage and can thrive in shade, making it ideal for woodland gardens or shaded borders. Pieris is an evergreen shrub known for its cascades of small bell-shaped flowers and new growth leaves that are often brightly coloured. It blooms in early spring and its attractive foliage offers year-round interest. Pieris is perfect for adding structure to a garden, and it does prefer acidic soil. Moving on to some popular perennials that I've had success with over the years, hellebores. These perennials have leathery leaves and bowl-shaped flowers in a variety of colours including white, green, pink, purple and red. Blooming in late winter or early spring, hellebores are excellent for bringing early colour to shaded garden areas. Primrose are bright and cheerful flowers and are one of the earliest to bloom in early spring. They come in a wide range of colours including red, yellow, blue, pink and white. Primroses prefer moist, well-drained soil and partial shade, making them perfect for woodland gardens or as border plants. Iris reticulata. These are dwarf irises that provide strikingly colourful blooms, typically in shades of purple and blue with intricate patterns on the petals. Appearing in early spring, they prefer well-drained soil and a sunny position. They are ideal for rock gardens, borders and larger containers. Daffodils are iconic spring flowers with a central trumpet surrounded by a ring of petals. They come in various colours including classic yellows, whites and oranges, and are known for their hardiness and ability to naturalise in gardens. Hyacinth bulbs produce dense spikes of richly coloured, highly fragrant flowers in early spring. The blooms can be in shades of blue, pink, purple, red, white and even yellow. Hyacinths are perfect for borders, pots and as cut flowers, and their strong fragrance is particularly noticeable on those warmer days. Next, I'll share some annuals and short-lived perennials that are often grown for just one season, often in winter containers or even in hanging baskets. Snowdrops are known for their delicate white bell-shaped flowers, and they are among the first to announce their arrival in spring. They often appear while snow is still on the ground, hence their name. Snowdrops prefer a shady position and are perfect for naturalising in grass, under trees or in a woodland garden. You can even sprinkle them into your hanging baskets for growing for just 1 year. Crocus is a symbol of early spring. They are small, clump-forming plants with cup-shaped flowers in various colours like purple, yellow and white. They are one of the first to flower, sometimes poking through the snow, and are excellent for naturalising in lawns, borders or woodland gardens. You can of course grow them for just 1 year in your pots, containers and even your hanging baskets. Pansies are known for their large colourful leaves with heart-shaped overlapping petals. They come in one of the widest range of bright colours and patterns and are ideal for containers, borders and as bedding plants. They thrive in cooler temperatures and can bloom in both autumn and in the spring. Muscari, also known as grape hyacinth, known for their clusters of small bell-shaped flowers in deep blue resembling bunches of grapes. These plants bloom in early spring. They are easy to grow, prefer well-drained soil and are ideal for borders, rock gardens or underplanting for taller bulbs like tulips and daffodils. So that's it folks, that's my list of 12 plants that I would put in a garden if I wanted that early season colour, you know, nice and late in the winter, in the early spring, you know, when very little else is blooming in the garden. These are plants that will really pack a punch and grab attention in the garden in that sort of quiet, almost cold season when very little else is going on in the garden. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please help me out by hitting the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more content from me. Hopefully I will see you on the next video. All the best.